To get started with the Titan Coach, you can use our support wizard. Click Next to start. You have an opportunity to switch languages. Just close the wizard and click this link. The home page is always found in the top right-hand corner. Click it anytime to come back to here. You can access the CTA, which stands for Critical Thinking Assessment. This helps Titan understand your needs and can tailor its dialogues accordingly. Now you are ready to talk to the coach, your virtual assistant. To start a conversation, you'll need to decide on which article or text you want to analyze to see if it contains any disinformation. There are several options. You can provide a URL from the site you are reading, and the coach will fetch the article content for you. Or you can select an article from the list of news items the coach has already prepared. There may be something in there that sparks your interest and curiosity. Finally, you can choose to cut and paste content if that is easier for you. You have the option to add a profile photo to your account. To personalize, just pick an action from the drop-down menu and follow the instructions. Easy. Hey, you can even choose a different type of coach via the Titan label. There are 3 options: the short coach, agentic coach, and extensive coach. The written descriptions will help you choose. Finally, use the menu on the left to access different tools, from the coach, your previous conversation history, the critical thinking assessment, the Academy for lessons, and our collaboration tool.